At number 5, it's VSDC, Free Video Editor. VSDC is easy to master. There are a huge array of effects and filters to enhance your footage, and you've got the ability to work with multiple scenes and transitions. The latest version also has automatic video stabilization. If I was going to pick at VSDC, I'd probably say that the interface is a little bit unusual, and there's also no hardware acceleration either. At number 4, it's Shotcut. You've got some advanced customizable filters here, and it's got a really nice professional feel to it, but there is a steep learning curve attached. You have the ability to choose your editing mode, but if you look at the history of this app, it started on Linux, which kind of explains the slightly weird UI, and then it made its way on to Windows. At number 3, we've got a very versatile solution in DaVinci Resolve. What started as a color grading bit of kit ended up being a very comprehensive video editor. It's advanced and feature-packed, and you've also got audio mastering capabilities here as well. It supports HDR footage and RAW, such as that captured from high-end RED cameras. DaVinci supports a maximum export resolution of 3840 by 2160. That's specifically the free version only. In fact, the free version lacks a few of the tools the Pro version has, such as noise reduction and 3D support. So while it's excellent, it might be a little bit overkill for basic video editing needs. At number 2, it's HitFilm Express. This started off as a VFX solution, and like DaVinci Resolve, branched out into broader editing. It has pro-level features, cutting tools, and audio and video filters as well. You've also got layers, masking, chroma key options. It really is extensive. Given the software's origins in VFX, it's little wonder that it supports 2D and 3D compositing. As for the downsides, HitFilm Express requires some pretty powerful machinery to really get the most out of it. As for our number 1 free video editor, it is Lightworks. This has been described as a professional video solution for everyone, and that's a pretty good way of looking at it. The user interface here is really easy to customize, and it's also very intuitive too. There are also a couple of accolades that Lightworks has under its belt. It was used to edit The King's Speech and The Road to Perdition. So while it may be a little bit more of a one-trick pony, this is a video editor, not a VFX suite. It is a highly recommended one.